today with the 2020 Sentra. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.